Let's see a live demo of an AI chatbot which we created for this specific business, goal-driven fitness. So this particular chatbot has the capabilities to answer any kind of questions about this particular business and act as a lead generation machine. So, and also this also can transfer any kind of conversation to a human if someone actually need assistant as well. So let's see how this actually works over here. So let me share my phone screen over here. So here we are in the Instagram, but this can actually works on multiple channels. So you can actually make it work on Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, SMS, Google Business, and etc. So I'm going to show the demo in the Instagram itself over here. So let's get started over here. So let me simply ask a question over here about this specific business. So let me ask, do you offer group classes, something like that? So it should say we offer this kind of group classes. So let me see how this actually respond to us. And it says yes, we offer group classes at this particular business, and stay motivated, those kind of things over here. And we can actually ask other kind of questions as well. This time I'm going to ask about the location. So let me ask, where are you located? So this also has the capability to handle the lead generation process as well, and also notify the live agents so that they can actually jump in and talk with the customer as well. So let me show how this actually works as well. So it sends us the correct location as well. So let me ask another question, who is the trainer? Who is the trainer? So let's see how this actually respond to us over here. So who is the trainer? So in the about us section we should be able to find the trainer details as well. So let's go over there, and it says this is the person, Darcy Daniel. So this is the person over here. So now let's see how this lead generation process works. So it is actually works when someone actually asks about the free fitness assessment. So let me ask, do you offer free fitness assessment? So let me see how this actually respond to us over here. So this actually starts the lead generation process for the chatbot. So it says yes, we offer free fitness assessment, please provide your name, phone number, so that we can actually schedule your assessment and discuss your fitness goal. So let me now I just provided only the name. Let's see how does it actually works. Can you please provide your phone number so that we can contact you to schedule your free fitness assessment? You can reach me at just some kind of random numbers over here, and my fitness goal. You can actually add the fitness goals as well. Fitness goal is lose weight. So let's see how this actually works over here. And it actually sent us a notification, as you see here. Thank you, Justin, for providing your information. One of our members will reach out to you soon to schedule your free fitness assessment. So this is what the admins get notified over here. And as you see here, new fitness assessment request. Justin, the number I entered over here, and the fitness goal is also listed as well. So this is how the whole chatbot works. So if we want to transfer the conversation to an agent, we can do that as well. So before that, let me show the omnichannel inbox over here. So in this inbox, everything is tracked. So we actually, Justin is the person actually talk to us in this particular chatbot via Instagram, as you see here, and we can actually find the exact phone number, the fitness goal as well. So if we want to transfer the conversation, we can actually jump in and chat with the particular contact as well. Otherwise, what we can do here is that let's say a particular customer says they want to talk to an agent. This will automatically transfer the conversation to an agent as well. So let me show how this actually works. So here in the inbox we have three filters: all, conversation, bot, and human. So at this moment, this particular contact, Justin, is handled by the bot, and it says bot is active. So let me do one thing over here. So let's say that particular contact says, I want to talk to a human. So if this particular AI chatbot find an intent where a particular person wants to talk to an agent or human, this will automatically transfer that particular chat to a human as well. So here, let me send this kind of message through Instagram, and let's see what happens over here. And keep in mind, we have this bot is active over here, and also it says, I apologize for any inconvenience. I have connected to a human, the agent who will assist you totally. Thank you for your patience. And we also receive a live chat notification as well, because this particular chat is now transferred to human. And as you see here, the bot is active is gone. And if we go to the all conversation, we can actually still find it. But if we go to the bot conversation, we cannot find that just in contact. But because this is actually already assigned to a human, as you see here, it's already assigned to human. So that is how you can actually build the powerful AI lead generation chatbots while answering any kind of questions about your business. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.